This is the first time I can honestly say I'm in love with this 99J. Very stunning. You don't have to add any roots to it. It's giving what it needs to give. Y'all see them signs? Look at this color, okay? Baby. So Unice Hair Company did something with this unit today, guys. This unit is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the color 99J. This is a body wave texture and it is 26 inches long. I believe this unit is about a 13x4 unit, guys. You get a good amount of parting space. Now when I got the unit, it did come in a middle part, so I did leave it in the middle part. It is a body wave texture, so I will say that it has a wave pattern after you wash it. So that's one thing I do really like about this one. So if you want to wear it in like a loose wave pattern, it actually can be worn that way with just a little bit of products like mousse and water. But I wanted to go ahead and style this unit up for you guys because it is a body wave texture. It's going to give a lot of volume and the curls are going to last. These curls look absolutely stunning. I did cut layers in the front of this one just to give me more of a frame face, and you guys can see that the hair falls down. Look at this. 26 inches with light layers, and it just looks absolutely stunning, guys. The hair is a nice density. It's not too thick. I believe it's about maybe like 150 to 180% density. It's the perfect density. Now I did go ahead and do some baby hair magic because I just wanted to make sure that I gave it like a little bit of a flex. So I kept it pretty light, did a little sideburn, little baby hair there on both sides of the unit. The unit, guys, actually fit my head very nicely. When I first put it on my head, it actually landed perfectly here. So the cap construction, if you have a medium to average size head like I do, it's gonna come perfect. I didn't have to cut any ear tabs off or anything like that. So the unit cap wise was really good this time around. So Unice Hair Company is really stepping up their cap construction. Now as far as this unit today, I did go ahead and bleach the knots with this unit just because I needed it to be a little bit more bleached, especially with this color. I wanted it to be very seamless. So I did go to the beauty supply store and picked up a lace tinting spray. So after I bleached the knots, I did go ahead and spray this unit with the tinting spray, and this is the medium brown from Red by Kiss. Guys, this made a huge difference in the lace looks so freaking good after bleaching and just adding a little bit of tint to it. This product I got from the beauty supply store. I'll leave a link down below for this product, guys. But this install was absolutely easy AF. It's a same day install. I literally just styled this on the mannequin head, meaning curled it up, and then I just plopped it on my head. It fit my head to the T. It does come with an adjustable strap that I did not use on this one just because the wig itself, all you have to do is adjust the hooks in the back, and the fit is very snug. So the unit is gorgeous, guys. This is the first time I can honestly say I'm in love with this 99J. I think it's mostly because of the hair quality and the texture. The hair is very voluminous, you know, very cute and very buff and pretty. If it wasn't this type of look, middle part style with a little bit of layers in the length, I don't think I would be really feeling it. Or maybe it's because this unit is pretty good from Unice Hair Company. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit. I'm actually very, very in like, ooh, wow vibes with this one. It looks freaking amazing. I'm already getting so many compliments on this unit. I posted a few pictures on Instagram. I didn't even step out the house with this unit, but I can already imagine tomorrow what the comments are going to be because this unit is stunning. As you guys can tell, I did like a little burgundy brows to go with it, and I feel like it came out pretty cute. So let me know what you guys think, y'all. Like, I really, really like this. It looks good. The lace is fire. Look at that. Lace is fire. And you know, like look at that. Look at them sides. Y'all see them sides? Look at this color, okay? Baby, period. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing this lovely unit. Definitely a great holiday unit, great fall style unit. This color is definitely very stunning. You don't have to add any roots to it. It's giving what it needs to give. Don't forget to check out this tinting lace spray, guys. I got mine in the medium brown color. I believe this is the medium brown. Yeah, medium brown. It's right on the front, Dodo. I got it in the medium brown color, and once you bleach your knots, just spray this with on top of the lace, and you are good to go. So, guys, like I said, for one more last time, I will leave all the information down below per usual, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Unice Hair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.